Let us understand steps in the TF-IDF. TF-IDF is nothing but term frequency and inverse document frequency. The first step in this one is the term frequency. Find out the document frequency. Next, inverse document frequency, and TF-IDF of the word of all the documents we have to find out. Let us understand this with a step-by-step approach. Term frequency is the frequency of a word in one document. Term frequency can easily be found from the document vector table. As in the table, we mention the frequency of each word in the vocabulary in each document. Here, you can see that the frequency of each word for each document has been recorded in the table. These numbers are nothing but the term frequencies. The second step is the document frequency. Document frequency is a number of documents in which the word occurs irrespective of how many times it has occurred in those documents. Means whatever how many times that particular word occurred in the document, we have to take it as only once. The document frequency for the exemplar vocabulary would be Aman occurred two times, and occurred one time, Anil occurred two times, R occurred one time. Hence, you can see that the document frequency of Aman, Anil, when, to, and A is 2 as they have occurred in two documents. Rest of them occurred in just one document. Hence, the document frequency for them is 1. The third step is the inverse document frequency. Let us look at the other half of the TF-IDF, which is inverse document frequency. We need to put the document frequency in the denominator while the total number of documents in the numerator. Hence the total number of documents here in this example are 3. Hence the inverse document frequency becomes 3 by 2 for Aman, 3 by 1 for and 3 by 2 for Anil, 3 by 1 for R, 3 by 1 for stressed, like that. Now calculate the TF-IDF of the word. Here we have taken the term frequency of each and every document and IDF, inverse document frequency of the document we have taken. So term frequency of the word of particular document 1 and document 2 and document 3, each and everything must be calculated over here. So the term TF-IDF of the word is equals to TF of the word into log of IDF of the word. So let us take word by word and calculate TF-IDF of the each and every word of that particular document. First, let us take the first document TF-IDF, that is the TF of the first document Aman is 1. It must be multiplied with the log of IDF of the word of Aman. IDF of the word Aman is 3 by 2. 1 into log 3 by 2. And in the same way, TF of the word document 1 and is 1 multiplied by log of IDF of the word, that is and 3 by 1, that is log 3 by 1. And TF of the word, that is document 1 ka Anil is 1 multiplied by log of IDF of the Anil is 3 by 2, that is 1 into log 3 by 2. Like that, each and every TF of the word and must be multiplied with the log of IDF of the word. Here you can see that the IDF values for Aman in each row is the same and similar pattern is followed for all the words of the vocabulary. After calculating all the values we get Aman 0.176 and 0.477, Anil 0.176 like that. Finally, the words have been converted to numbers. These numbers are the values of each for each document. Here you can see that since we have less amount of data, words like are and also have high value. But as the IDF value increases, the value of that word decreases. That is, let us see this one in the example below. Let us take total number of documents is 10. Number of document in which an occurs, that is stop word occurs, is 10. Therefore, IDF is nothing but 10 by 10 is equals to 1, which means log of 1 equals to 0. Hence, the value of an becomes 0. So, on the other hand, number of document in which pollution occurs is 3. IDF of pollution is 10 by 3. Then 3.33 is the answer, which means log of 3.33 is a 0.522, which shows that the word pollution has a considerable value in the corpus. Let us understand briefly about the TFIDF. Words that occur in all the documents with high term frequency have the least values and are considered to be the stop words. For a word to have high TF-IDF value, the word needs to have high term frequency but less document frequency, which shows that the word is important for one document but it is not a common word for all the documents. These values help the computer understand which words are to be considered while processing the natural language. The higher the value, the more important the word is for the given corpus.